Check out the video description for details. It's Thursday, August 10th. Here's what we got for you today. We're going to be talking about Netflix, some retail stocks, probably a good chance to get in NVIDIA, and overall why the stock market is tanking today. So let's go ahead and let's jump right in and talk about Netflix. We did a story yesterday about Disney splitting off from Netflix in a couple of years, and Netflix kind of building up their properties to become a better content provider. So, article popped up today. Let's take a look at it here. The Coen brothers are bringing Wild West to Netflix. They're going to be developing some stuff for Netflix. And if you're not familiar with the Coen brothers, think "Oh Brother, Where Art Thou?" True Grit. They've done a bunch of things with Tom Hanks. The Lady Killers is a great one. So good content coming for Netflix. Their stock, like everyone else's, is down today. Netflix was down yesterday because of the Disney thing. So you've had about a 5% slide in the last couple of days here. So potentially opportunity to get in on Netflix. Lots of opportunities popping up today as the market goes down. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. So let's move on here to a couple of retail stocks that I want to talk about right now. So let's take a look at them. The two retail stocks that I want to talk about today were Kohl's and Macy's, and both of them are getting hit hard. Now, the interesting thing is, prior to the market opening, when they were releasing their earnings results, they actually spiked up a little bit. Because they had better than expected results, but still mixed. Overall, outlook was still very soft. But you got two pretty good dividend stocks in Kohl's and Macy's, both yielding over 5%. Kohl's doesn't exactly excite me. Macy's, however, if they were to ever gain traction and come back, they're down another 10%. They've been sinking a ton over the last few months here, and they're yielding about 6% dividend. And if you look statistically wise, they've got over $1 billion in cash and almost $2 billion in free cash flow. The problem is we don't know where the bottom is on Macy's. So if you want to roll the dice, great buying opportunity. You got kind of a perfect storm where it's down today twofold because of the earnings release and then the overall market dropping. So you've got these huge drops in these companies. I wouldn't be buying right in yet on Macy's, but if they start gaining traction, you should be able to get this stock extremely cheap. They're either going to gain traction or they're going to go out of business. Let's put it to you that way. So you want high risk, high reward. There it is. Macy's. Go for them. NVIDIA is going to be announcing their earnings after the market closes today, and it's kind of beneficial on a day like this with the market down, with them releasing their earnings. Now, if they release earnings and they're mixed in any way, shape, or form, it's not going to do much. It could have a pullback with NVIDIA. Even if they have good earnings and the market's in this funk for a couple of days, it's going to be bad news. So this could be a great opportunity to get NVIDIA, like I said, with the market overall pulling back with some tensions with North Korea. If NVIDIA doesn't hit it out of the park, you're not going to get much movement out of the stock at all. So if they have any kind of mixed results, this could be a good time to get in. Even if they have slightly positive results and it's not enough to break it out of the funk of the market, great buying opportunity for them. They don't have a great dividend, but they are a stock a lot of people like to own. So look for NVIDIA's earnings. We'll do a report on it tomorrow. Absolutely. Today I was looking. I almost bought today. I put an order and the price didn't quite get low enough. It snapped back a little bit. I was looking at getting some Collector's Universes this month's buy. It's a stock I really like. It's pulled back about 3% today. It didn't quite get down to where I wanted it to. I wanted it around 22.70. Pulled back up when it was getting close to that, as you can see around noon. So didn't quite hit it today. Still may just buy it at that price. I just put it in an order and I never really followed up with it. But I think this is going to be this month's buy. Certainly, if tomorrow's another down day in the market and this slides back like all the other stocks, we'll be buying that there. So keep an eye on that. Now, gold is bumping up right now, and you'll probably see gold going up. If you want to get some gold, the ETF GLD is the way to go, in my opinion. Why is the market down today? You can see overall in the ticker, all of our stocks and all of the stock market is slumping. It's people are starting to worry about tensions with North Korea. I've said it before. Missiles start flying, it's going to be bad for the market. Look at this opportunity as chances to scoop up some good stocks, some good buys as things drop overall with the market. Look for ones that are dropping 2-3%, which seems to be about the average of what things are pulling back today. Good opportunity once they buy back. Look for action early tomorrow in the market. If things start going up early on, you should be able to get the momentum wave going as things go higher. Get a 2% bump on anything that you buy. So if you're trading today may be a good day to buy, or very early tomorrow, like right when the market opens. See what's happening. See what the news is tonight with the tensions. If they still keep squawking back and forth about bombing each other, maybe another down day tomorrow. Could have a couple of down days ahead of us. So beware of that. Watch that, and buy up some gold if you're afraid we're going to have some down days ahead. You never know how these play out, but I look at these opportunities as we're going to have several days of potential buying opportunities. So keep an eye on the news, be wary, and look for some good buying opportunities. I think they're going to be there. Certainly today has presented a couple of them. You can see Apple, down to almost 3%. Great opportunity to buy some of them. We like that stock. So look for some buying opportunities. That's it for today's show. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.